The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Central Franklin County in western Massachusetts, Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Northampton and is nearly stationary. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Granby, Southampton, Hadley, Hatfield, Williamsburg, West Hampton, Whately, and Pelham. A severe thunderstorm